Alright, I want to make a video today, but I don't have anything to install. Today, we're going to take the wiring harness out of the Evo 9, get this thing ready for some things. Alright, we got the fuse box unboxed, we've got the fender wiring undone, underneath the brake booster, everything's unbolted under here. We might have to pull these lines back. But next we need to tackle back here. This is where the ECU goes, so. And where's an ECU? Oh, there's the connectors. That's simple. But as you can see, probably can't see, get you guys some light. So as you can see, there you go. ECU comes in out of here, but I'm not sure if the chassis harness goes with that as well. So maybe we'll just cut this and see. Oh, let's see. So it comes out of the engine bay firewall. Looks like it goes to the ACD computer. Whatever this blue connector was, so let's remove it. So I would assume that it goes under there, so we might have to pull the console out real quick. I'm not sure. Yeah, we're gonna have to pull the console out. Goes under the dash. There it goes. Hopefully it just goes right there. Let's go to the other side and check. So it goes right here. Yeah, I think it just goes right there. Cool. Alright, let's pull it. have it. Engine harness is out of the Evo 9, which means we can start getting this thing ready for frame shop. We're gonna get this frame fixed, and I'm gonna turn it into a rolling chassis that we can sell, salvage, or whatever. So. Go. Washed up the engine bay. This is what it looks like. Duckers. This is what it looks like without the wiring harness. Super clean. So we're gonna get it pulled. We need to get that side pulled. I think this side needs to be pulled as well. But we're gonna get pulled, lined up. Make it start looking a little better. It looks a little rough. But let's see if we can save this thing.